Hello children, we have started our lesson 7 fraction. In that we saw some of the definitions and kinds of fractions and some important concepts in the lesson 7 fraction. Now let us do the first exercise, self practice 7a. Kindly take this exercise, self practice 7a. Take this page. First, let us do the second question. See the second question. Identify the type of fractions as proper, improper, mixed and unit fractions. So they given you some kinds of, first they given here 7 by 32 and for B it is given 23 by 10 and for C it is given 1 by 9. For D it is told 82 by 100. For E is 14 5 by 12. Yes, this is the question given. We have to tell what kind of fraction this. We have studied types of fraction. So what type of fraction is this? Here see that 7 by 32 numerator is small. If the numerator is small, that is the what fraction? This is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction. And 23 by 10. See the numerator 23 is bigger than the denominator. So it is improper. It is the improper fraction. Improper fraction. 1 by 9. See the numerator. The numerator 1. So what kind of fraction this is? This is the unit fraction. Unit fraction. 82 by 100. What kind of fraction? It also, see, numerator 82 is small. Yes, and the denominator 100 is big. So this is a proper fraction. It's also proper fraction. So this one 14 5 by 12. This is mixed number. Yes, this is the mixed fraction. Yes, no? Just proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction, proper fraction, mixed fraction. Yes, just see the number. Just compare the numerator and the denominator. Then you will get the idea. Okay, what kind of fraction you can classify correctly. Let us go to third question. Convert as directed. First question. See the first question. It tells that convert as directed. Third question A. That is 4 3 by 7 into improper. You have to convert this into improper fraction. Convert this into improper fraction. Yes, and for B is 2 and 1 by 9 into improper fraction. For C, it is given 35 upon 8 into mixed number. This is the mixed number. Okay, see that first question they have given the mixed number. Yes, this is the mixed number. They have given the mixed number and told you to convert into improper. So if it is given like this, we have studied the concept how to change mixed number into improper. Yes, that is multiply 4 and this denominator 7. Yes, 4 and the denominator 7. Multiply this two number. Then afterwards add how much? Add the numerator 3. Add the numerator. This two number you have to multiply and plus the numerator. Divided by what is the denominator? 7. Yes, 7 only, right? 7. So next 4 multiply 7 is 4 7 28 plus 3. Yes, by what is the denominator here? 7. So 28 plus 3 how much? 28 plus 3 is 31 by 7. Yes, this is the answer. This is the improper fraction. See, we have converted this number into improper. Yes, like same method, just how we done this question. Same method follow here. This two number multiply 2 multiply 9. This full number and the denominator. 2 multiply 9 plus what's the numerator? 1 divided by what's the denominator here? 9. Yes. So 2 9 18. Yes. 18 plus 1 divided by what's the denominator here? 9. So 18 plus 1 how much? 19 by 9. This is the answer. See the third question. 35 by 8. Now it is the opposite. Now you have to change from the improper into mixed number. It's given. Change the improper into mixed number. So this also we studied the concept. Just recollect what we studied. We have to divide this numerator by the denominator. So 35 divided by 8. How much time we can divide by 8? 8. How much time we can divide? 8 4 32. Yes, 8 multiply 4 32. Yes, no? So we can divide maximum 4 times. Yes, we can divide 4 times. 8 4 32 and the remainder is 3. Subtract 35 minus 32. 5 minus 2 3. Yes, 3 minus 3 0. Yes, so remainder is 3. Now this is the quotient, this is the remainder and this is the divisor. Yes, so see that we have to write what is the quotient. 4 is the quotient. 4 and what is the remainder? Remainder is you have to write in the numerator. 3 you have to write in the numerator divided by what is the divisor? 8 you have to write in the denominator. So this is the mixed number. Yes, 4 multiply 8 32. 4 8 32. 32 plus 3 35. 35 by 8. Yes, we can change from this to that and that to this like this. And you can do the D question now. A, B, C and D question you can do homework. And let us go to the fourth question. Write the equivalent fraction for the following. See that they have given some fractions here. We have to write the equivalent fraction. Fourth question. Write the equivalent fraction for the following. Write the equivalent fraction for the following. First A, it is given 3 by 4 and numerator how much? Numerator is 18. Yes. And for B, 32 by 56. For B, 32 by 56 and the denominator 14. Denominator is 14. And for C, 5 by 42. 5 by 42. Denominator is 84. Denominator is 84. Yes. Now let us take this question 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Yes. And the numerator how much? Numerator is 18. Yes. Numerator is 18. And we have to find the denominator. Yes. This is the equivalent fractions. For this equal fraction you have to find. So they have given numerator 18. So 18 we have written in the numerator. So we have to find the denominator. Yes. So 3 multiply with which number gives 18? 3 multiply with 6. 3 6 how much? 18. So what number we are multiplying in the numerator? 6. With same number multiply in the denominator. 3 multiply 6, 18. 4 multiply 6, 24. The answer is 18 by 24. That is the answer. Next, see this question. 32 by 56 equal to, see, denominator 14. Denominator is 14. We have to find the what? Numerator. We have to find the what is the numerator. So how we can get 14 from 56? 56, here is big number and here is small number. So we can get the 14 by dividing only. So just guess it. Here we are multiplying. Here we can divide. So we can get the equivalent fraction either by multiplying or by dividing. Both method we can use. Here we are multiplying. Here if you divide only you are getting 14. Yeah, from 56 divide by which number? 56 by 4 how much? Divide it. 56 by 4 divided 1 times 4 and remainder 1, 16. So 4 4 16. Yes. So how much you can divide? Yes. 56. If you divide 4 times you are getting 14. Yes. 56. If you divide by 4 you are getting 14. Same way, here also divide by 4. Here also divide by 4. 56 by 4. If you divide 56 by 4, you are getting 14. Yes. Here denominator coming 14. Same way, divide in the numerator also. If you divide by 4, numerator also divide by 4. 32 divided by 4. So how much we can divide by 4? Okay. 32 divided by 4. So 5 times 20, 6 times 24, 7 times 28 and 8 times 4, 8, 32. So what is in the coming? Numerator is 8. So 8 times, that's the 8. 56 divided by 4. If you divide by 4 only you are getting 14. Yes, no? So if you divide by 4 here, numerator also you have to divide by 4. So 32 by 4. 8 times we can divide. The quotient is 8. Write the quotient. That's all. Yes. So this is the answer. So I hope you understood this concept. Now let us see the third one. That is 5 by 42. Yes. 5 by 42 equals to, and the denominator how much? Denominator is 84. So denominator, why denominator comes here? Yes, denominator is 84. We have to find what? We have to find the numerator. So 42 here is 84. So you can guess when seeing this two number, when comparing this two number, you can guess whether it is multiplying or dividing. See this small number and big number. If you multiply only, you are getting big number. Yes. So 42 multiply with 2, 84. 42 multiply with 2, you are getting 84. So if you multiply here 2, you are getting 84. So if you multiply here 2, numerator also you have to multiply with 2. Same number, by which number you are multiplying, same number multiply the other way. Yes, 2 2, same number you have to multiply. Here 4 4, here is 6 6, same number you have to do. So 5 multiplied to 10. Answer is 10 by 84. This is the answer. See the answer, 18 by 24, and here is 8 by 40, here is 10 by 84. And fourth D question you can do homework. See the last fifth question. Write 5 equivalent fractions for the following. Question number 5. Write 5 equivalent fractions for the following. Question number 5. Give 3 by 7. Yes. So to write 5 equivalent fractions for the following. 5 number you have to write. So 1 number here, second number here, third number here, fourth number here, fifth number. Yes, 5 number here we have to write. So that is 3 by 7. In the numerator 3 table. In the denominator 7 table. That's like that only. So 3 multiplied 2. 3 to 6. 7 to 14. 3 3 9. 7 3 21. 3 4 12. 7 4 28. 3 5 15. 7 5 35. 3 6 18. 7 6 42. Just see, here upside you are writing 3 table and downside you are writing 7 table. Just 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And see the B1. B is 12 by 17. 12 by 17. Yes. Like this write 5 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 table. 12 to 24. 17 to 34. So just write the table. That's all. Okay. 12 3 36. 17 3 51. 12 4 48. 17 4 68. 12 5 60. 17 5 85. 12 6 72. 17 6 102. Yes. 17 6 6 6 6 7 42 and 2 4 6 1 6. Yes, 102. Yes, understood. 12 table, 17 table, 5 number. And C1, 20 by 55. 20 by 55. Yes, write this 20 by 55, 5 equivalent fractions. 20 table, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 20 table, like 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. And next, write downside 55 table. 55 table. So 55 table, 55 into 2, 110. 55 into 3, 165. Yes, like that. 55 into 4. 55 into 4, that is 220. 55 into 5. 55 into 5, 275. 55 into 6. 55 into 6, 330. Yes. 50. That is, here you are seeing 55 table. Multiply with 2, you are getting this. Multiply with 3, this number coming. 55 into 3, this number. 20 into 3, this. 20 into 4, this. And 55 into 4, this. Same number, okay? 20 table and 55 table. Yes. And the question you can do like this. Like this, follow it. Okay? Just same method. You can see, just follow the table like that only. Okay? Same number you have to multiply. Multiply by same number. So we are getting the equivalent fraction. You can do fourth question homework. I think it's very easy, and I hope you can again just do this question again one more time in your rough note and practice. Then only you'll get the practice and you can able to give the correct answer in nice way. I hope you understood this exercise, and we will continue this exercise tomorrow again. Thank you.